Hello everyone, this is Teacher J, Excel in PSLE Math, question number 60. In the figure below, the shaded portion shows a 3-meter wide cemented walkway. 这是一个被这个水泥铺就的3米宽的这个叫做走道walkway. In a rectangular field, 它这个走道坐落在什么地方？坐落在一个长方形的田地里边 ，of length 40 meter and breadth 20 meters. Beside the walkway, the rest of the rectangular field is covered with grass. 除了这一个走道以外，其他的地方全部都被铺上了，都被种植了草。好了，第一个问题 ，find the area of the walkway. And the second part of the question is find the area of the field that is covered with grass. 这道题我们不一定非要先从第一题来去解，因为我们都知道中间这个部分呢，其实它是一个，你可以把它理解成两个 parallelogram 拼在一起，对不对？但是如果说 if we remove the cemented walkway and we combine these two area from the left hand side and right hand side, combine it together, 我们把它拼在一起，它其实是可以重新拼接成一个完整的长方形，对不对啊？我们这么去做一个拼接所以说 OK， 那你的新的长方形 the new length of the rectangular field is 37, which is 40 minus 3. And the breadth of the new rectangle is 20 centimeters, as usual. 所以这时候呢，其实我们可以怎么样？我们可以先来算一算area of the field covered with grass 37 times 20 equals 这里可以口算 740 square meters。 这个部分的答案其实我们先回答了我们的 Part B， 所以说你也可以在这旁边这里写上一个OK Part B， 告诉你的老师你再回答这个问题。And for the area of the walkway, we can use 40 times 20, the original area of the rectangular field, minus 740. That is 800 minus 740 equals 60 square meters. And this is the area of the walkway. So the area of the walkway is 60 square meters. This is part A. OK， 这样子呢，我们的两道题就都回答完毕了。最后呢，如果说你为了要让老师看得比较清楚，你可以再把它重新写一遍。Answer A, 60 square meters, and part B, covered with grass. Okay, and that is all for this question. This is Teacher J. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.